तो दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे इस चैनल को, लाइक बटन को दबा के इस वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर से ज़रूर करिएगा। As you can see, there is a cake in front of you. You can't believe this cake is made up of Oreo and Good Day biscuit. Not believing me yet? As you can see, my mother is cutting the cake. It is too soft as you can think. I have tasted it and it was very nice, and I like more than this from all-purpose flour cake. Please try once and subscribe my mother's channel Priya's Kitchen. Support us very much guys, so that we can get motivation from you. Like and share our every video. So let's get started with the recipe.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and